Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best loft beds in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. DHP Junior Twin Metal Loft Bed with Slide. DHP is one of the leading names when it comes to juvenile products, and as such, its twin loft bed finds an honorable mention here. In tandem with the slat design, the strong metal construction is suitable for toddlers up to 200 pounds in weight. Honestly, we were intrigued by the bed's sturdiness at first glance. Its metal frame works well to keep it stable on most surfaces. Moreover, the brand is known for designing space-saving furniture, and this unit is no exception. Thanks to the slats on the bunk, the mattress doesn't slide around even with constant movement. And the full-length guardrails protect your kid from falling. On that note, we should also mention that it's built to accommodate a standard-sized twin mattress. Walker Edison Furniture Company Deluxe Twin Metal Loft Bed. To maximize usable space and accessibility, Walker Edison Furniture Company's Deluxe Metal Loft Bed put the vertical ladder on the side of the frame. But there's not just one ladder, there are two, one on each end of the bed. This adds convenience and makes climbing into the loft easy. Plus, the addition of built-in guardrails all around the bed's edges ensures you and your mattress stay put, no matter where and how you set up the loft bed. The smart design of this bed makes it a standout pick, but some assembly is required when it arrives. You should also be sure to only get a mattress 9 inches thick or less. A higher mattress will extend beyond the guardrails. That poses a safety hazard for anyone sleeping in the bed. There are a few color options beyond classic white and silver, which is great if you're shopping for a kid's room or just want that extra pop of style in your space. Donko Kids Mission Low Slide Loft Bed with Blue Tent. Let's start off with the Donko Kids Mission Low Slide Loft Bed with Blue Tent. This compact and colorful low loft bed will surely become your child's favorite in no time. With its tent and slide features, playtime and bedtime will no longer require separate spaces. This Donko loft bed sports a solid pine wood construction that accounts for its sturdiness. On top of that, the superior wax finish prolongs its service life for everyday use. We were both surprised and happy to see that the robust build doesn't add to its weight. So, count the brownie points. Similar to our top pick, the loft bed is equipped with a slat design, wooden in this case, that allows you to easily place the mattress. In addition, the safety rails extend up to 5.5 inches over the mattress to provide optimum safety for your toddler. Monarch Hill Haven Metal Platform Loft Bed by Little Seeds. White and gold look great and provide the right amount of support in the metal platform loft bed from Little Seeds. It's designed for kids or teens, but this heavy-duty product can support up to 200 pounds. The bed and frame are made of powder-coated steel that will last for years without wear or breaking. It also comes with slats to support the mattress. The maximum recommended height for a mattress with this loft bed is just 6 inches. It's important to find a mattress within these limits so that the guardrail extends above the mattress and is able to serve its purpose. Some assembly is required, and Little Seeds recommends having 2 people on hand to put the bed together. All required tools are included for easier construction. Arlen Twin 5-Drawer Loft Bed. The Arlen 5-Drawer Loft Bed has so many storage nooks and crannies that it's almost like its own self-contained room. It features an armoire with a hanging rod, 4 drawers, a hidden nook, a bookcase, and a small desk, giving you so much more than just a spot to sleep in a single piece of furniture. There's also accessible shelving-style storage at the top that you can reach from the bed. The hardware and styled edges of the shelving lend a classic look to the super functional loft bed. It's a bit pricey compared to some simpler designs, especially with its manufactured wood construction, which is a less durable material that can show signs of wear easily. However, When you consider all of the extra underbed storage you'd otherwise have to purchase separately, it's a solid value. Max & Lily Low Loft Bed with Slide. Today's third pick is the Max & Lily Low Loft Bed. Sporting an appealing wooden frame and color-coordinated tent curtains, its high carrying capacity makes it suitable for a diverse age group. What's more, the low-profile design is ideal for low ceilings. To begin with, we really liked the simplistic design, which is both sturdy and attractive. The pine wood construction is secured with countersunk screws, meaning they won't protrude to cause injuries or tear the bedsheets. While the entire loft features wooden slats for greater safety, the 14-inch guardrails are especially suitable for toddlers. Moreover, the underbed height is almost 33 inches, which provides you with ample space for placing a second mattress. Its 100% cotton curtain tent ensures adequate ventilation during playtime. And if that's not enough, the door can be opened with the help of straps for sufficient air intake. DHP Junior Loft Bed. Tall ladders may not be right for younger kids, and this junior loft bed from DHP is just the right height. The lofted design provides 36.5 inches of clearance under the bed, which is perfect for a small desk or play area. The ladder extends from the bed at an angle, making it easier for little ones to climb. And this loft bed is also very budget conscious, so you don't need to worry about your child breaking or damaging an heirloom piece. It makes the perfect intro to bunk bed living. However, because it doesn't have as much space underneath, your child may outgrow this loft bed quickly. Don't expect this setup to get them through the teen years, when they'll likely need more space and clearance. You will need to assemble the bed when it arrives, although this is a bit easier than some others because of the shorter height. It also ships in one box, so you don't need to wait for multiple boxes to arrive before putting it together.